Raw heavy denim fabric, 500 GSM, 100% cotton, made in Italy, now available on my website. Many months of work in the background, and now I can finally present you one of the best denim fabrics for your next sewing projects. During the last 2 years, this was by far the most asked question: where can I get really good denim fabric? And honestly, I just couldn't answer this question properly. But now I can. This denim fabric is the dream we all searched for, because now it's possible for everyone to create garments on the highest industry quality standard yourself. I wanted to achieve this goal for so long, and now it's reality. But what makes raw denim so special? Raw denim, also known as unwashed denim, is denim in the purest form. After production, the fabric is neither pre-washed nor chemically treated, meaning you get the denim exactly like it is from the loom. The result? An exceptionally durable and long-lasting fabric with a firm texture. With every wear, wash and movement, the fabric molds gradually to your body, developing unique creases and wear patterns. This process is called fading. And this is what gives raw denim garments a distinctive character over time. I'm very grateful for the huge support over the last months. And I hope you like these news. So if you want to create a sick denim garment, feel free to check out the fabric. We will see each other in the next video. Until then, have fun sewing.